In most cases, it is the responsibility of the investigator to compile all the elements of the Ethics Committee or IRB submission. Before doing so, make sure you are familiar with the contents of all the documents before submitting these to your Ethics Committee or IRB. Some Ethics Committees or IRBs require many copies, and sometimes quite lengthy forms to be completed, representing a lot of administrative work for which you may gladly welcome the help of the monitor or sponsor's representative where possible. If your institution has an electronic IRB system, however, outside personnel may not be able to access your system. Make sure you have clear timelines worked out with the sponsor's representative. They will need to give you several documents that are needed for the submission and which you will need to review. Ethics committees or IRBs have usually clear deadlines by which you need to submit, sometimes weeks before their planned meetings, so that they have the time to review the file before their meetings and prepare questions where needed to discuss among the committee members. In most cases, it is the investigator or the study coordinator who makes the submission and who is the sole contact with the Ethics Committee or IRB. In some countries where centralized Ethics Committee IRC systems exist, the submission may be performed by the sponsor or delegated to the monitor. But in all cases, it still should be the principal investigator who signs the submission. The Ethics Committee or IRB will be asked to provide a list of the committee or board members present at the review meeting and voting. If, as an investigator, you are a member of the Ethics Committee or IRB that will review the clinical investigation application, it is very important that a statement from the President or Secretary is obtained on the approval letter or on the list of voting members that you, as an investigator, did not take part in the voting. Remember, an Ethics Committee or IRB needs to be an independent committee from any party involved in a clinical investigation.